everyone, welcome back. Does Roll Match show Dream logo when you open it but then never actually starts the game? Here's the fix. First, go ahead and understand that this means the app is loading and it splashed screen successfully but failing to move past it into the actual game, which is almost always a connection or a cache issue. First, go ahead and force close the app completely from your recent app list. Then go to your settings and toggle airplane mode on for about 15 seconds. Then turn it back off to fully reset your network connection. Since a stalled connection right after the splash screen is a very common cause of this exact freeze, reopen the roll match fresh on that reset connection and give it a full 60 seconds. And if it's still stuck on Dream, then go to your settings, go to your general, go to iPhone storage, scroll down to the list of apps, tap Royal Match and tap Offload app. After offloading it, go to the App Store and search for it and reinstall it to clear corrupted keys. After reinstalling, check the settings, then check general, then go to software update and confirm your iOS is current. So all you've got to do is airplane mode reset, force close and reopen, then offload and reinstall if it proceeds. Roll match loads past the Dream screen and that's it. Subscribe.